So if you want to get this look right here, just keep on watching.
They're not gonna hear you because of the music. You gotta turn it off.
I know, but I just wanted to make my intro like here.
This is 100 feet.
Dana B, this is for you. Jolly's doing a makeup tutorial just for you, girl. Oh, and
Let me fix.
I need some glam shots, Jolly. Her face doesn't taste too bad either.
Yeah, that would make sense.
You like this head wrap? I know you do. You like this glam look? I know you do. If you want to get this look right here, keep on watching. Okay, enough. What is it? Connor, I'm not recording no makeup video. Your sister just turned on. Your sister. Your mom just turned on
no,
record.
you're wrong.
Yeah.
Make her stop pressing record. Jonathan,
Huh?
your
Hey,
wife.
hey.
Really?
Oh, you going to the oldies.
Oh my God. Why? Why are you doing this? Jonathan, help me.
Sorry. I got this
If anybody can tell me what song she's mouthing, you'll get my
Do
first
it,
giveaway.
Jolly. Do it.
Okay.
It's on low battery, Mom.
That's right.
Mom, it's on low battery.
Maya, I know you know how to turn that off, right?
No, he doesn't.
Turn it off, Maya.
Dad,
Turn the off button off.
I'm 100.
I think there's a
feet in the air,
button.
but it's back on the ground.
Yeah. This is just
100
this is
feet
what
in the
happens
air,
when
but
you
it's
are
back
with
on
your
the ground.
family.
Mine 100 back on the ground?
No, 100 feet in the
I
air.
don't know where.
How does anybody ever talk to the camera? I don't get that.
Hey.
Nisha.
Mom, want to hear a riddle? Want to hear a riddle?
I did not highlight under my brows.
No.
Oh God.
They said I'm.
Mom, what are you doing in there?
Okay.
Wow.
Someone help me.
The battery.
Honor said, why do you say her little sister? I said, I am Auntie Lolly's little sister.
God.
Come on, you want to go?
And I'm supposed to do certain things that little sisters do.
Is this one of them? Doing it well.
Oh, ow.
Yeah, that was. Okay.
I know they-
I'm not doing
That's
that.
all right, y'all get rich, baby. Get rich. And be all in the video like Suge Knight.
Jolly,
Lord.
I love you.
I love you too. Can we get some air in here? Why is it so hot?
Oh, there's no air in here.
But they ain't got nothing on me.
Alexa.
If y'all see sweat stains on this shirt,
See it right
see
there?
that?
Alexa.
How am I looking, Bubba? See that?
Okay, Alexa.
Are those eyebrows on fleek? Do we even want eyebrows on fleek anymore?
A candle.
Your feminine wearing yet? Who knows what she's saying?
Of your phone. It's the end of your phone on that.
This is not really recording, is it? I don't have any powder. Is it recording? But my sister does. Do your thing. Just be sure you ahead of the game. Oh, yes, a master. Hydrate.
I just.
Uh-oh, Asia. Her song is on. Oh, gosh. You gotta turn that up. Called This Is Africa.
I did the hard thing. Auntie Lolly, I did the hardest thing in the world.
Make that face.
This is America.
Contraband.
Oh, I see you, Jolly. I see you over there. Na. Oh.
Wow, Mom, wow.
I keep looking at myself.
Oh my gosh. She said picking up myself.
Oh, she said looking at myself.
No. She said picking up myself.
It is so hot in here. Look at that. Look at that. Sweat stains. Sweat. It's hot in here. So you just pack it on. You pack it. See? Pack. You lay down the color. You don't swipe it. Dude, look at that color I went like this. I was like, Asia's palace. I was like, but are we gonna this one?
That's my favorite color. You should see it when you wet it.
Hi.
If I can't do another long trip out.
That big old monster right there. Not Vegas. Oh my god, look how.
Where did you put it in your lip?
Asia. Help me. Am I Instagram worthy now?
Put a little bit of that purple on your Cupid's bow.
That's on my eyes?
Yeah.
With my finger?
Yeah, just
No.
put it up there. You're not even putting it on
Yes,
there.
I did.
What are you
I'm
even
not
doing?
I'm not doing that.
No, stop. Don't wipe it off. Here.
I'm not gonna wipe it off.
Blend it.
Stop me making it. Now I feel like I should whip up my edges.
It's on that biggie, biggie. It's on that biggie, biggie.
Wait, let me do Asia's like.
Oh my
A
god.
little slow mo. Asia be like.
Look at what we've started. Do your outro, Jolly.
Oh.
Gotta turn that off.
What's an outro? What do you say?
I'm gonna tell you.
She's not gonna do it right.
You gotta be okay. So here's what I say for my outro. Your outro is basically saying goodbye to everybody. Hey, you guys. So this is how I got this look right here. If you like this look, make sure you click the like button. If you did not like this look and you give me a thumbs down, I won't be sad because a thumbs down is just an upside down thumbs up.
I'm not gonna say that.
I go a thumbs down is just an upside down thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, y'all. It's the right thing to do.
So if you guys, what did I say? So there it is, guys. There's that look for you. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. But really, I don't care because that's just a thumbs up upside down. Did you like that?
I did. Okay, can you do this?
Okay.
Subscribe.
And don't forget to subscribe. It's the right thing to do.
Okay, can you do that again? But you gotta say subscribe, y'all.
Subscribe, y'all.
Yeah, subscribe, y'all. Okay.
I don't know what that was.
If you let me.
I need one of those.
There it is right there, y'all. The beautiful glam updo head wrap look. No, I don't like that. That was weird.
Do it again.
So there it is, guys. My head wrap, soft glam look. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up.
Hold on.
Go ahead and give me a thumbs down. But you know what? I don't care if you do, because really all that is a thumbs up upside down.
Wait.
Don't forget.
Wait. Nah, go.
And don't forget to subscribe, y'all. It's the right thing to do.
Yay! Subscribe,
y'all. It's the right thing to do. We are having technical difficulties, obviously.
Wait,
Oh,
me out person.
don't forget
Put me
to
out person.
like, comment,
person.
and share. And
you
go
missed
follow
out.
me at Curly World's community, right?
I love
Curly
you
World.
guys.
That's what.
Because you did not watch that video.
WRLD.
WRLLD.
If you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you did not like this video, you give me a thumbs down. That's okay, because a thumbs down is really just a thumbs up upside down. Make sure you subscribe, y'all.
It's
the right thing to do. Honor, come here. Honor, come here. How's she gonna cut us out when she's in here?
Come here.
Hey,
Hey, come here. Come here.
Hey,
Come here.
hey, hey. No. Okay. All right. Up.
Hey. I don't know how to do that dance, but I'll Millie rock on any block.
Oh yeah.
You dab? Or do you Millie rock? Again.
Oh,
Okay, we're done.
Bye.
And stop.